Hey guys, NOYCE here with another daily recap. Unfortunately, it's another red day and it's on a Monday, so it's extra frustrating. However, the market has just been really slow. Like there isn't any real runners and basically isn't much follow through. And as you can see, it's pretty damn choppy. So leading gapper today is VVOS with FDA news, which is pretty good. Around 7:30 went up. I wasn't looking at it back then, so near the open, I did not touch it at all. So basically, I just let this do its thing. At some point, it was up quite a bit. As you can see, it did hit the 7 mark, but I chose not to trade this as I didn't like the starting. This is too choppy. It will shake off. I don't think it's nice to trade. I just basically didn't like it at all. Like how the price action is and the movement. Second was XERS. This was the second leading gapper today. I think it was around 30+%, and now it's only at 15. So a lot of people wasn't too high on the news, as you can see. PVOS was FDA news. XERS is just an approval. So it sounds like a good news, but actually it's just an approval. So people aren't too big on it. However, it seems to prove them wrong a little. It did had a nice curl in the open. I did not trade it because it was still choppy here and went up, went down. However, at this area I added here for it to curl. Sold half here. Then this was the first little pop, so I sold off, but it's trying to I leave the rest to try and see if we can claim and hold above the VWAP, which it tried to twice, but the VWAP seems too strong for it. And on the 5 minute, it's always below the 20 EMA. So clear bear flag here. So when it broke this bottom trend line, I immediately sold it. Then yeah, this is what happened after that. And RXP had news also. It's pretty long news, so I will just go through, as in I will just scroll through, so at least you guys can read it if you are interested. This is the news. So pretty nice move. I did not trade it at all since I left around 10:30. So at 10:30 it was looking like this. So I thought it was like fate or something since when it went down, but it seems to reverse. Didn't trade these two. So SIEB I traded quite a bit, as you can see. It had some news. Then okay, so it halted up. I added here. I think it was a bad view. So as I see, it's like hovering around this area, and when it's going up, I added here. Then it decided to get knife. So I got stop out near the view up, seeing how the action is. So there's a lot of knives today, as you can see. The leading gapper VOS has a lot of knives. XERS quite a bit. This NRXP I did not trade it. This was on my watch list, but basically there isn't any volume. This category seems pretty good, but without volume nothing can be done. So yes, SIEB, as you can see this knife, so basically I got chopped here. Added here again, seeing how it can hold back up, but I did not scale out here, which was my mistake. So after that, basically knife again. So I got stop out here. The third time I added here for it to break the down trend line. So that's why I sold the first pop this time around. It went further up a little, but same thing, first breakout and then hit down. It did hold the 420 level. Nice. However, another flush. So unfortunately. So this is the thing, this period of time, I think like August, Basically this year for me, January, February, March, the market has been pretty good. April was still alright. May 1st was alright, I remember, ACY. Then gradually May is getting bad. So I thought May is bad, June is worse, and I thought June is worse. July is even slower. And now we have August. Basically, I think I have quite a lot of red days in August so far. Thankfully, I did like make the red days smaller amount. Like today, I'm only down 300 plus instead of like maybe down 1,000. So today, I'm only down 300. It's a pretty small red day. I mean, with minus the comps. So it has been a really slow August. Hopefully September it will pick back up. I remember last year September there was a lot of spec movement, SPAC. So we'll see how it goes. AMI didn't trigger this. Like I was hoping for some volume, but no volume there. As you can see, there's a lot of knives. This is 5 minutes. ARF, same thing. So was on my watch list because I was thinking it could break this upper trend line. It had some news too. The weird thing is the news took a while. Basically around this area it had some news. So yeah, pretty choppy. Then in the open it went up, got halted. I added here on this pullback. Sold out this. I intend to just sell on a pullback and a pop. So basically that's it. And this was previous day high. It was holding in this area. I broke it. Oh yeah, there's also FULC. Yeah, so I guess I technically chase this. Not really chase, I guess this is just a forced breakup. I was seeing like volume was coming in, like slowly, gradually, so I added here. Was thinking this was up 2 to 3% at the time. So I think this is more of a gamble. I was thinking maybe it got hot up, and as you can see, the second candle it went up. I did not sell. I was thinking like there's a lot of volume coming in. However, there's a false breakout, and basically I still held it since I was sizing in a very small position. So I let it hold, and seeing this could be the bounce, I still let it hold until it couldn't hold yesterday's high, so I got stop out here. So yeah, overall down around 365, around there, and basically the market is, as you can see, is moving sideways. Yep, except NRXP, but pretty choppy. So other than that, the market is just moving sideways. Nothing much to trade. Not much, not at as much volume and volatility as one may like. I mean, for the large cap and all the swing traders, it's looking pretty good for them. Like all this looks very good for all the big cap and swing traders. But for momentum trader like me, August has been pretty dry, so hopefully we get turned around. And the thing is, my usual swings I'm surprisingly doing pretty okay. ECR, IMS, AR, yeah, all of them are doing pretty okay. Small gains. So yeah, overall it's a red day, and it's Monday, so it's really frustrating. That's why after trading at 10:30, I walked away. I went to take a breather, just take my mind off trading. Since I was so eager to trade it, since I did not trade Friday, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I was eager to trade it, but I did not trade it. And I was viewing to try out something new, like how usually I think the stock will go up. I was thinking of inversing my own trade, but I forgot about it. Like thankfully, some of my friends reminded me that, so maybe I would try it tomorrow. Okay, so fun test. Maybe I can do it like this. Yeah. So initially, I would want to, let's say I were to inverse my trade, let's say I start to short it here, I will get stop out here, I believe. So maybe I'll get stop out half, and I might catch the big break here. NRXP did not trade. SIEB, if I were to inverse, yeah, but hot plays are very risky. But if I were to inverse it, yeah, I'll be up quite a bit, I would say. This would be dangerous too. Yeah, maybe tomorrow I should start inversing my own trade and see how it goes. Like if I think it's going up here, I will short it instead. So, alright, I mean, there's not much I could comment today. The market is pretty sideways, so pretty slow day for me. Hopefully tomorrow will pick back up. However, now it's August 23, almost the end of August. Hopefully the last week of trading can bring some good results. I'm trying my best not to look at my trading journal this month, as I don't want the red days to cloud my mind. I don't want to be reminded that I'm down in the red for this month. So I can start it. Tomorrow is a new trading day, so hopefully tomorrow will have much more action. And yeah, I can see that some of the views are going up. So if let's say you make it to this point and you find that the content is helpful or interesting to you in some ways, do drop a like, subscribe, and maybe comment down, as it will really help the channel to grow. So yeah, that's all for today's daily recap. As usual, stay safe and trade safe. Peace.